They say live TV is dead, but in 2026 it's very much alive, it just looks different. With streaming services, cable cutting, and an overload of choices, picking the right live TV streaming app feels more important than ever. And two of the most interesting options right now are Frndly TV and YouTube TV. One is ultra budget and family friendly. The other is powerful with more content, cloud DVR, and top-tier sports. So before you commit, here's a fair breakdown, so you know exactly what you're signing up for. Frndly TV is the underdog. It's a lean, low-cost streaming service with a limited but carefully curated list of channels, mostly focused on family entertainment. Think Hallmark-style shows, classic dramas, some news, and kids programming. It doesn't try to compete with huge, full-scale streaming platforms. Instead, it's built for people who want a simple live TV experience without paying a fortune. YouTube TV, in contrast, is a full-blown power player. It offers hundreds of channels, sports, news, on-demand content, local stations. It's basically a cable replacement in the cloud. On top of that, it has a generous cloud DVR with unlimited storage, so you can record as much as you want and access it for up to 9 months. Now, let's talk about price, because that's a huge part of the argument. Frndly TV's price is very attractive. It's one of the most affordable live TV services, which makes it perfect for budget-conscious families or anyone who isn't super concerned with having every single channel. But the trade-off is the channel list isn't massive, and if you want big sports or premium content, you might not find it there. YouTube TV, of course, costs significantly more. But with that price comes a giant lineup of channels and features like 4K support on certain plans, shared accounts, and that amazing cloud DVR if money isn't your number one concern. YouTube TV delivers more value for those who want variety and power. When it comes to channel content, Frndly TV's strength is its focused selection. For shows like heartwarming dramas, family-friendly sitcoms, and religious or faith-based content, it's a win. But for breaking news, live sports, or international content, it's limited. YouTube TV, on the other hand, has it all: sports fans, news junkies, local viewers. It covers most niches and gives you multiple ways to watch. Performance is another key factor. Frndly TV runs smoothly on lower bandwidth because it doesn't pipe as much high-bandwidth content. That means it's easier to stream on slower connections or older devices. YouTube TV also performs well, but because it offers high-definition content, you'll need decent internet to make the most of it, especially when streaming live sports or 4,000 content. Let's talk about usability. Frndly TV's app is very straightforward. Simple guide, clean interface, no frills. It's designed so anyone in the family can pick up the remote or the app and find something to watch quickly. YouTube TV has a more complex interface, but also far more features: multi-user profiles, live guide, advanced DVR management, and personalization options. There's a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, it's very powerful. Customer support matters too. With Frndly TV, you get decent support. Their model is simpler, so they don't deal with huge complications. With YouTube TV, support is more robust but can sometimes feel less personal because they manage a large-scale platform. If something goes wrong, you may not get the same kind of hands-on help as with a smaller service. Finally, let's ask the big question: which one should you choose in 2026? If you want a budget-friendly, family-centered streaming service that covers your basic live TV needs, Frndly TV is absolutely worth it. It's affordable, reliable, and its content library is carefully chosen for a specific audience. If, on the other hand, you want a full replacement for cable with access to live sports, local news, dozens of premium channels, and a feature-rich DVR, YouTube TV is likely the better investment. Yes, you pay more, but you also get more. My verdict: for most people on a budget, Frndly TV offers a compelling, lightweight live TV experience in 2026. For power users, cord cutters who want all the content, and families with high expectations, YouTube TV delivers more value. If this review helped you decide which live streaming service to pick, drop a like, share this with someone who's trying to cut the cord, and comment below with which app you're leaning toward. Smart streaming starts with the right choice and knowing what each service actually offers.